Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, October 26th. You are watching Simply Pennies. I'm Kat, here to take you for a walk around the penny. Huge news today for Del Toro Silver symbol DTOR. This stock was mentioned by 7 different newsletters. Although we think this may be a case of a pump and dump. Check this out. It hasn't had any press releases since the beginning of this month, and it has a volume of over 336,000, which is not really that impressive, but most newsletters suggested that this company is working in areas that could develop substantial amounts of precious metals. But for now, this is not evident in the market. The stock opened at 25 cents and rallied over 13% today. Its low price was around 17 cents. Let's hope they strike gold soon, otherwise I'm going to have to call out these newsletters. Consortium Holdings symbol CSRH was mentioned by 4 different newsletters today, but the newsletter pumpers were not able to get this puppy moving. After opening at 0.0077, it fell over 41% on a volume of over 13 million. The newsletters reported that Consortium Holdings is the stock to watch, but so far it hasn't been fun. Let's see who else was having a bad day in our WL segment. Our loser today was also our loser yesterday. Camelot Entertainment Group symbol CMGR opened today at 0.0007 and stayed flat on a volume of over 52 million. It did have a few hopeful spikes today, up to 0.0009, but unfortunately, those didn't last long. But someone who did have a really good day was Unicorn Incorporated, symbol UNCOE. After opening at 0.0001, it saw a 100% rally today on a volume of over 142 million. However, don't get too excited about this rally. There really wasn't any news propelling this equity. We kept an eye on this, and just as we anticipated, it dropped. All right, time for some chat room chatter. Chat rooms today, we're still buzzing about Encounter Technologies, symbol ENTI. If you remember yesterday, we saw a huge rally for this company that everyone seemed pretty excited about. Well, today it started to fall and people were feeling the pain. It opened at 0.0017 and fell over 12.5% on a volume of over 131 million. It did shoot up around 10 a.m. to 0.0018, which was unfortunately the highest of the day. Its low of the day was 0.0012. The other hot topic was Coastal Pacific Mining, symbol CPMCF, which was also a part of our show yesterday in the newsletter segment. The stock opened at just over 5 cents and rallied over 46% on a volume of over 68 million. It closed the day out at 0.0749. These dramatic moves led to idle chatter, and our quote of the day comes from Chatter Dink, who had these words of wisdom to share. Let's try not to do the politics thing. It could get ugly. Great advice, Dink. Let's keep the chat rooms a happy, bipartisan place to be. And last but not least, it's time for some BS. North China horticultural symbol IDCX saw an amazing rally of 225% today on a volume of only 200. What kind of horticulture are these guys up to? Yesterday, this stock ended with a price of around $1.25, but today it's all the way up to $3.90. The funny thing is that none of these growth spurts happened in my accounts. All I smell is manure. I'm calling out some bullshit here. And CN Dragon symbol DRGN saw a rally of 200% today on a volume of just 200. It opened today at 15 cents and closed out the day at 45 cents. Great job to the both of you. And the winner is Mr. IDCX. You, sir, are the first horticulture winner here at Simply Pennies. All right, everyone, that's it for me, but be sure to join us tomorrow for another show and visit our site for SP Movers with Mela and the Elevator Pitch with Keith. Bye. Time for some chat room chatter. No? It's cheesy, right? I'm just gonna say it regular. Okay. We'll try that.